TNXP stock tomorrow. Is it a buy? Well, let's see where is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. One thing that I want to begin off by saying is that 1.6% up is cool, but this price action is not it. I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. Over the last 4 years, I have done 35,000 videos on this YouTube channel. Everything has been documented, and I've seen what's worked for me, what's not. With TNXP specifically, it's just a bearish, it's just melting. This is just a season of pretty much us going down after that. After the reverse play that we had, honestly, since then it's been just awful. Even way before that. But some people that were watching this video for free on my YouTube channel absolutely made money here. And one thing that I want to say is that I don't have ill intentions nor feelings towards TNXP, but I genuinely am looking for these lows to continue to get cleared. So new lower lows to be made is my expectation. It's obviously not financial advice, but if you want to make more money trading in the simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.